Hello guys, welcome to part 1 of my mom's celebration of her 60th birthday party. So napag-utusan nga tayong i-check yung venue. So from the town proper of Zaragoza, nadaan kami sa munisipyo going to Santo Rosario where the event will be held early in the evening at 4 p.m. So, maga pa lang ngayon, around 10 a.m. yan. So, nakasakay lang ako sa tricycle with my husband driving the motorcycle. Okay, so kasama ko din dyan ang bunsuan. So, we are now entering Santa Rosario proper. So, turning left to Barangay Santa Rosario. And actually, yung pupuntahan natin ay malapit sa school ng FB Messina dito sa Zaragoza. So, medyo rough road. Though, concrete naman yung daan. Pero, dami ng lubak-lubak. Kaya, magalaw yung video. Pasensya na. Siyempre sa probinsya, hindi may iwasan. May mga nakakawalang kambing. Ayan. So, actually, nalampas pa kami dyan. So, kailangan namin... ayan pala yung school ng FB Messina. So, after that, may dalawang kanto kami malalagpasan. So, yung pupuntahan natin which is Casa de Santo Rosario. Okay, so after nung school ng FB Messina, dapat liliko na kami dyan sa may poste na yan, pero lumampas kami. So bumalik pa kami ng very sweet. And welcome to Casa de Santo Rosario Events Place, owned by no other than Manong Vic. Okay, so kung gusto nyo pong magpa-reserve, yan po yung contact information. Post nyo na lang yung video. Okay, so dito po yan sa Barangay Santo Rosario, Zaragoza, Nueva Ecija. Okay, so makikita nyo, napakalaki ng parking space. Sobrang ganda nitong lugar na to for any events, family events, birthdays, reunions, or any kind of celebration with the family and friends. Ayan, so isang certified plantito rin po ang owner ng resort na si Manong Vic. So, ayan, makikita nyo yung mga plants na siya mismo ang nagtanim. Starting to grow his own garden. Tapos yan, pinagmamalaki niya yung mga lily pad, kung tawagin. So, yan, parang vines yata yan, napapanik daw sa puno. So, once na lumaki yan, at kumapit sa puno, siguro napakagandang tingnan yung halaman na yan. So, talagang sobrang certified plantito si Manong Vic. Okay, so we're given a very sweet tour of his place or of his resort. Okay. So, binalikan ko yung mga plants na yan. Nakaka-amaze kasi na green thumb din pala si Manong Vic. Kaya ang gaganda ng mga halaman niya. Mas lalo na pag lumago pa yung mga halaman na yan. So, siguro napakaganda na talaga ng garden niya. Yan, yung mga nakasabit niyang paso. May mga namumulaklak din na halaman. And he said that he's starting to just started to plant these mga plants na galing mismo kay daddy. So yun, meron pang lawis-wis ng kawayan, if I'm not mistaken, yun yung tawag dyan. Pag lumago talaga itong mga halaman na to, sobrang gandang tingnan niya sa garden. And yun yung kanyang function hall. And on the right side, yan yung may gate na yan, yung gated na yan. Yan naman yung mismo may poolside nung kanyang resort. So, sobrang ganda. Hindi makaka-interfere yung event dun sa function hall because naka-separate yung pool. So, you can have your party and at the same time pool party in this place. So, makikita nyo may 2 shower rooms dito sa sa pool side, and meron din siyang mga rooms, available rooms. So, kung gusto nyo mag-overnight, this place is also available for overnight stay sa mga gustong mag-spend ng weekend with their family, maglangoy-langoy lang sa pool. Ayan. So, meron kayong pag-i-stayan. Di aircon pa siya, so hindi siya mainit pagpasok mo sa room. Ayan, napaka-simple pero aesthetic na room naman. Okay, so, meron siyang kids pool and adults pool. Ayan, so may available second room siya, same space with the other room, na queen size yung bed. So, can fit up to 3 to 4 persons. Ayan. Tingnan natin yung CR. Hopefully ayan. So, hindi ko pala masyadong na-video yung CR. But, definitely, the place is clean. CR is also clean. Well-maintained po yung resort ni Manong Vic. So, dito gaganapin ang 60th birthday ng aming mommy. And, hopefully, mai-add ko sa video yung event. But if not, I'll be doing a part 2. And actually, sobrang safe talaga ng lugar kasi kasama niya yung owner. Andun na mismo yung may-ari kasi dito siya nakatira. So, any concerns during your stay, madali lang siyang mahanap. Okay, so meron din siyang mini kitchen dito, which he also said na plan niyang ipabago para hindi naman kitang-kita ng mga guests. But definitely, this is still in progress. The place is still in progress. Yan, may mga improvements along the way. Okay, so dito na nga tayo sa may function hall. Busy-busy ng ating mga decorators. So, yan yung magiging entrance. And after that, ito yung before and after pala na shot or video. So, yan. Yan yung entrance mismo sa function hall. Sobrang ganda. Thank you, Robbie and Williams Creative Catering for being our caterer today with this wonderful and beautiful decorations. Yan. So, before and after. Diba? Sobrang ganda ng transition. So, highly recommended talaga ang Robbie and Williams Creative Catering for this kind of events. Ayan. So, busy pa silang nag-aayos, and here's the aftermath. O, diba? Napakaganda. Before and after footages muna tayo. Okay, before and after. Sobrang ganda talaga. Sobrang sulit if you get their services. Masarap ang food. Ayan, so siya yung head of the decorating or decoration team. Ayan, so yan yung ginagawa niya. Dito pala yan ilalagay sa aisle. Which is sobrang ganda talaga ng kanilang arrangement dito. Ang ganda ng concept. So now we are preparing for the event. Mga nakagayak na kami dito. Okay, so nagpare-pareho ang mga boys and girls. Hawaiian theme, kumbaga. Yan, so that's my dad. Very busy, but not that busy kasi we have Robbie and Williams Catering Services, who is helping us with the event. Ang asawa kong may dala-dala pang hanger.
Yun.
Papapogi pa. Okay, si Nanay Pe. O, ayan, ang ating birthday celebrant. Okay, so di mo akalain, at the age of 60, sobrang gorgeous pa rin and beautiful. Okay, so some footages before the event starts. Okay, so yan yung kanilang photo shoot. And on my next video, I will share to you the footages of the events. That's a wrap. So that's the end of this part 1 video, and I will share to you the rest of what happened on the event on my next video. So see my next video for part 2. Thank you. Bye.